In this video, I will show you how to visualize projects using the timeline view in Monday.com. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. In Monday.com, you want to go into one of your workspaces or projects. You need to make sure that you have a timeline or date added to your project. If you do not have any of these added, simply find the plus sign and add a timeline column or date column. Once you have added that, you want to click it and add dates for your projects. If you toggle over it, you'll see how many days that project is due in, and you will also see a project bar. To the top left, you will see your project name. Below it, you will see a row. So I have main table, workload, and Gantt. You want to click that. If you do not see it, scroll to the right and select add view, and you should find it in this column. So I am going to click Gantt. On the left, I will see my project names, and towards the right, I will see a breakdown of the due dates for these different projects. If I would like to change any of the settings, I can scroll over to the right, settings, and then I can edit this widget. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.